Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Thanksgiving recipes for kids. Yes, Thanksgiving, the season of making holiday food, is almost here, and we can't keep calm. So, check out these fantastic Thanksgiving recipes. Scrumptious Thanksgiving side dish and snack for kids. Cream corn. Total time, 30 minutes. Prep time, 15 minutes. Cooking time, 15 minutes. Ingredients: frozen corn kernels, choose fresh corns if you like, 2 cups. Coconut milk, 1 can. Salt, 1 teaspoon. A handful of parsley, chopped. Red pepper flakes, 1/4 of a teaspoon. Recipe: heat the corn kernels and coconut milk in a saucepan over medium heat and stir well. Bring it to simmer and add in the salt and sugar. Cook well until the coconut milk evaporates a bit and thickens. Season with salt and pepper flakes and give it a nice stir. Once the mixture reaches the desired consistency, turn off the flame. Transfer it to a bowl and garnish it with parsley. Delicious Thanksgiving dinner recipe for kids. Herb stuffed turkey. Total time, 3 hours and 30 minutes. Prep time, 30 minutes. Cooking time, 3 hours. Ingredients: turkey, cod, 5 to 6 kilograms. Sage, chopped, 8 sprigs. Carrots, small pieces, 2. Small onions, 4. Bay leaves, 2. Olive oil, 2 tablespoons. Garlic, finely chopped, 3 cloves. Salt. Pepper. Recipe: place the turkey on a baking sheet and remove the giblets out of it. Wash the turkey inside out to remove any excess fat and pat it dry. Cut the onions into quarters and stuff half of the quartered onions into the turkey cavity. Stuff it further with sage and some carrots, if you like. Preheat an oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Place the remaining carrots, sage, onions, and bay leaves in a large roasting pan. Brush turkeys outside with oil and season with salt and pepper. Tie the legs together with string and tuck its wingtips under its body. Roast the turkey for about 2 to 3 hours. Once cooked, transfer it to a cutting board and cover with aluminum foil. Let it rest for about 25 minutes, then carve. Mouth-watering Thanksgiving dessert for kids. Cranberry walnut shortbread. Total time, 14 hours. Prep time, 30 minutes. Cooking time, 30 minutes. Ingredients for crust: all-purpose flour, 3 cups. Walnut, 10 ounces. Sugar, ½ cup. Unsalted butter, 2 sticks. Vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon. Kosher salt, 1 tablespoon. Ingredients for topping: cranberries, 6 cups. Red currant jelly, 1 cup. Unflavored gelatin, 2 envelopes. Granulated sugar, 2 cups. Cinnamon, 1 stick. Whole allspice, 1 tablespoon. White cloves, 1 tablespoon. Recipe: preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Pulse walnuts 12 to 15 times in a food processor until finely chopped. Add flour and salt and pulse 5 to 6 times. Beat butter and sugar at a medium speed until the mixture is light and fluffy. Add in vanilla and beat again. Add dry ingredients to the mixture and beat. Press the mixture on the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch pan. Bake it for about 30 minutes. Once baked, transfer it to a wire rack to cool. For the topping, wrap allspice, white cloves, cinnamon in a small cheesecloth. Fill the bowl with a half cup of cool water and add gelatin to it. Now, cook cranberries, granulated sugar, and jelly on a medium-low flame for 15 to 20 minutes. Cool it off. Remove the spice sachet and blend the mixture. Add gelatin mixture to cranberry mixture and blend for about 5 seconds. Pour it immediately over the crust. Chill it for 12 to 24 hours. Slice it and serve. Thanksgiving is all about coming together and being thankful for all the good things in life. Enjoy the dishes and happy Thanksgiving.